Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our iTel Fit O20 Ultra smartwatch, and on this video we are going to have a demo of this Bluetooth call support for our O20 Ultra smartwatch. So we'll try these following features: the call records or the call history, the contacts, and the dial pad. So if you are interested to see the Bluetooth call functionality in action, watch this video, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the iTel Fit O20 Ultra smartwatch Bluetooth call support. We are already paired with our support app, the iPulse, but we did not yet add a phone number. Okay, so we have here some instructions and seems like we are already activated. For the contacts, let's add one. Okay, let's add the number of Maria. Okay, import watch. Okay, let's see. Let's check it here. Is it available? We have here our call and we have the contacts. Okay, we have Maria here. To test if we can receive calls, let's call the number. So we have here John. Let's call John. So if there's an option to answer here and deny the calls, it is working. Yes, we have it here. So someone's calling, it's Maria. And call, and that's it. So far, it is working. Let's see our call history. And we have it here. We have the dial pad, so let's test. Let's try to call the number of Maria, of course. 0919 863 35 9 and 3. Calling John or calling Maria. And as you can see, we have here the name of Maria. And it is working. Okay, so we have an option here to mute the sound, to increase the volume. We have here to block the mic or mute the sound and end call. Okay, so far the dial pad works for our iTel Fit O20 Ultra smartwatch. Next, let's have the contacts here. Select. Let's see if it will call Maria. Okay, seems like it's not working again. Yes, it is working, just delayed. Okay, so the same with our dial pad, it is working. And call. And that's it. Let's see for the call records. We have several call records here. Okay, as you can see, we don't have a support for quick reply with our Fit O20 Ultra. Unlike the O23 Plus, we do have a quick reply. Okay, on the smartwatch model, we don't have a support for quick reply. Okay, next. So let's try to answer it here on the smartwatch. I'm going to call the number. Let's call John. And we'll answer it here on the smartwatch. Okay, so someone's calling. I will try to answer it here. Hello? Hello? How are you, John? How are you? Where are you now? Bye. And call. Okay. So the mic is just okay. It's not that loud. But so far, it is working. Okay, let's see here on the settings. Sound and vibration. We have a ringtone here. We have an option for the Bluetooth call, media audio. Okay. And that's it. Again, let's have the opposite here. Going to call John, or let's call Maria here. Contacts. And now it is working. I'm going to answer it here. Let's see if this will activate. Hello? Hello? John. Okay, so we do have a feedback here and it is working so far. Okay. The microphone and the speaker is not that loud, but I think it is okay. Okay, so we do have the call history here. Then delete. Okay, so that's it for our Bluetooth call demo for the iTel Fit O20 Ultra Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.